everyone, this is Namit. Today we are going to do the change in strikes of debit spreads. Okay, so this is the closing of Nifty on 4th November 2020, that is 11,908. So what are debit spreads? Bear put or a bull call spread. Okay, both are debit spreads. Here we'll take an example of a bull call spread. Okay, and now we'll create a table. What is this table about? This table consists of strikes, the maximum loss, the maximum profit, the break even, and the RR ratio. Okay, we'll fill this table, then we'll compare what is the difference when we change the strike of the debit spread. Here keep in mind that we are changing the strike, we are not changing the width of the debit spread, right? So over here I have written all the premium of the options which we are going to consider. Okay, so first example is ITM. ITM bull call spread refers to a bull call spread below the current market spot, right? So over here I have taken an example of 11,800 CE buy and 11,850 CE sell. Okay, 11,800 CE buy, that is the lower strike, and 11,850 CE sell is the higher strike. So in a bull call we buy lower, sell higher, right? As you can see, these two strikes are below the current market spot, right? That is 11,900 के नीचे है ये दोनों, right? So this becomes an ITM bull call spread. Okay, so now 11,800 CE is at 139 and 11,850 CE is at 104. 11,800 we are buying, so 139 is the debit, and 11,850 we are selling, that is 104 is the credit. So 139 minus 104 is 35 rupees debit, and as you know that the debit is the maximum loss in a debit spread, hence the maximum loss over here is 35. As simple as that, right? So here we have got the maximum loss. Maximum profit क्या होगा? With minus maximum loss, that is 50 minus 35, 15. Simple, right? And now the break even. Break even over here is lower strike plus the debit. Yes, lower strike is 11,800 and the debit is 35. So 11,800 plus 35 is 11,835. Simple. And the RR ratio is 1:0.4. Okay, 15 rupees अगर आपको मिल सकते हैं, then you can give 35 rupees to the market, right? So 15:35 is approximately 1:0.4. So now we have filled the first line. Now comes ATM. ATM means near the market spot, right? Or at the market spot you can say. So at the market spot I have created 11,900 CE buy and 11,950 CE sell, right? So again I am buying a lower strike, selling higher strike, right? And now as you can see, this is at the money, this is near the spot price, that is 11,908 के बाजू में है ये दोनों, right? 900 and 950 are near to these strikes, hence this is an ATM bull call spread, right? And now 11,900 CE has a premium of 74 and 11,950 has a premium of 51. 74 is the debit, 51 is the credit. So 74 minus 51 is 23. So 23 is the debit, hence the maximum loss over here is 23. Simple. And now 50 minus 23, 27. Yes, with 50 hai, loss 23 hai, hence the maximum profit is 27. Break even over here is the lower strike plus the debit, lower strike 11,900 over here, and the maximum loss, that is the debit, is 23. So 11,923 is the break even, right? And the RR ratio is 1:1.2. You can get a profit of 27 rupees and you can lose maximum, that is 23. So that is why the RR ratio is just above 1:1, right? Simple. This was the second line, and now the third one. Third one is OTM. So an OTM bull call spread will be above the current market spot, right? For a bull call spread. Simple. So over here we'll create 12,000 CE buy and 12,050 CE sell. That is above the current market spot, right? 12,000 and 12,050 are above Nifty's current spot, that is 11,908. Okay, so this becomes an OTM bull call spread. 12,000 is at 34 rupees premium and 12,050 is at 21 rupees premium. So 34 is the debit, 21 is the credit. 34 minus 21 comes to 13. 13 is the debit, that is the net debit, that is the maximum loss. Simple. Now with this 50, loss is 13, hence the profit is 37. Simple. And the break even, लोअर स्ट्राइक इन दोनों में से कौन सी है? 12,000. 12,000 प्लस द डेबिट, डेबिट इज 13. 12,000 प्लस 13 इज 12,013. Simple. Now the RR ratio over here is approximately 1:3. When you can lose 13 rupees, you can simultaneously gain 37, right? That is approximately 3 times, that is 1:3. So now we have filled all the columns. Now let's compare them. Okay. In a bull call spread, you want the market to go up. Simple. Bull call, bull and call, that is positive. You want the market to go above, that is you want the market to be bullish. Okay. So when you want the market to be bullish, you want the break even as much lower as possible. So the main thing over here in a bull call spread or in a bear call spread, that is in a debit spread, is when you pay extra, you get higher probability. Okay. जब भी आप ज्यादा पे करोगे यहां पर आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा मिलेगी. नाउ हाउ आई एम सेइंग प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी मोर. जितना नीचे ब्रेक इवन होगा आपको उतना जल्दी प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सिंपल. If the break even is very low and you are creating a bull call spread, that is market जितना ऊपर जाएगा आपको profit होगा, that is the probability of getting profits increases, right? यहां पर आप देखोगे that the maximum loss is increasing from OTM to in the money, right? From OTM to ITM the loss is increasing, right? But at a profit of what? At a profit of higher probability. मार्केट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 11,835 के ऊपर रहने की ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू 12,013. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ मार्केट स्टेइंग अबाउट 12,013 इज लेस देन 11,835. सिंपल. सो इन एन OTM spread, the market has to travel 100 points more so that you get profits, right? यहां पर 105 points if Nifty moves above, then you get profits, right? But over here, if the market even falls 50 points and expires, then also you would get profits, right? Because the break even is 11,835, right? यहां पर मार्केट को आप स्पेस दे रहे हो in ITM, but in OTM you are not giving the market the space which it wants, right? And now this was the comparison between the loss and the break even, right? जितना लॉस ऊपर उतना ब्रेक इवन ज्यादा, राइट? जितना लॉस आप ले सकते हो उतना ब्रेक इवन आपको मिलेगा. सिंपल. एंड नाउ as you know, maximum loss and break even are connected. The maximum profit and RR ratio is also connected. So as you can see, maximum profit increases, the RR ratio increases. Simple. RR ratio in an ITM is 1:0.4, which is very less. But in an OTM, it is 1:3, right? So basically you can say that an ITM bull call spread has higher probability but lower RR ratio, right? Higher probability, lower RR ratio. As you can see, ये दोनों arrow inversely related है. How much probability you would give to the markets, the lower RR ratio you would have, right? The probability of OTM bull call is very less, but the RR will be very high. Now, if you see 11,835, that is the ITM bull call break even, has a RR ratio of 1:0.4, but an OTM bull call spread has a break even of 12,013, which is very low probability but a very high ratio, right? So what can we conclude from this? We can conclude that when you shift from ITM to OTM, the loss decreases at a cost of probability, right? आप जितना कम भरोगे प्रोबेबिलिटी उतनी कम होगी, right? एंड आप जितना ज्यादा भरोगे प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी मोर बट द RR ratio will be less. So this is the concept of the change in strikes of debit spreads. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next module.